Assalamualaikum. Good morning. Hi, students. Okay, how are you? How's your holiday? Is it fine? Okay, so before we start our lesson today, I want to uh, refresh about what we have learned last week. Last week we learned about chapter 8, manufactured substances in industry. I jumped to chapter 8, so I left chapter 6 after this lah. We learn after this. Okay, so what we will learn in 8.1, alloy and its importance. First, we will describe briefly alloy with example. 8.1.2, compare the properties of an alloy with its pure metal through experiment. And 8.1.3, justify the usage of alloy based on their composition and properties. Okay, students, 8.1, alloy and its importance. Okay, first we must know the meaning of alloy. Okay, what is alloy? Alloy is a mixture of two or more elements where the main element is a metal. Adalah campuran dua atau lebih unsur di mana unsur utama ialah logam. Okay, this is some examples of alloys and they are important. You can refer to textbook page 254. Okay, the example of alloy is pewter, stainless steel, steel, brass, bronze, and duralumin. Okay, so this is the experiment about comparison of properties of alloys and pure metals. You have to copy in your lab report book. So this one will be lab report 8, is it? Lab report 8. Okay, you copy all using this slide lah. Copy in English. I will give you one link of experiment in YouTube. That's a good experiment because you can see how the experiment is conducted for hardness of substances. Okay, for resistance of corrosion, pengaratan, that one you can do by yourself at home. But for B, you have to refer to the link that I will give later. Okay, so from the experiment, we found that the surface of alloy actually is more shiny than pure metal. Pure metal is dull, pudar. The resistance of corrosion. Okay, the resistance of corrosion, ketahanan terhadap karat, pengaratan. So which one is more resistant? Alloy. Pure metal easily corroded. And hardness, dari segi kekerasan, alloy is harder than pure metal. Ductile and malleable. mulur dan boleh ditempa. So, when the pure metals are ductile and malleable, it can easily be pulled into fine wire. And pure metals are malleable, so we can make the pure metal into a new shape, new structure, form a new structure. Now let's look at alloy, the arrangement of atom in alloy. What's the difference between the pure metal? In pure metal, you can see the atom is the same size, same shape, same type. But in alloy, we put a foreign atom. Okay, kita masukkan atom asing. So, atom of pure metals now is mixed with foreign atom. As you can see, these foreign atoms are different in size compared to the atoms in the pure metals. Hence, the orderly arrangement of atoms in pure metal is disrupted. Orderly arrangement of atoms in pure metal is disrupted, telah diganggu. So this makes it difficult of the layers of atom in an alloy to slide over each other when force is applied. Bila kita tolak, we give some force, the atom is difficult to slide. Difference with pure metal, we give some force, the atom can slide. Why? Because the size is the same, so it will slide. Okay, we continue to the uses of alloy. The uses of alloys is based on the composition and the properties of the alloy produced. Alloys are made for specific purpose. Scientists change the elemental composition to produce alloy with different properties. Okay, this is the table of composition, properties, and the uses of alloy. You can refer to textbook page 258. Okay, first we have duralumin. Duralumin is made of aluminium, copper, magnesium, and manganese. The properties: duralumin is stronger than pure aluminium, low density, and does not rust, tidak berkarat. So what's the uses? Body of aeroplane. Okay, this one. Electric cable, racing bicycle. Bronze, gangster. Made of 90% of copper and 10% of tin, stannum. Stronger than pure copper, does not rust and shiny. So you usually see a medal are made from bronze medals, trophies. Then we have brass. Brass is loyang. 70% copper and 30% of zinc. Stronger than pure copper, does not rust and shiny. So usually they use brass to make musical instruments. Steel, keluli. 98% of iron, less than 2% of carbon, also known as carbon steel. Stronger in harder, marble. 3 types of steel, which are low carbon steel, average carbon steel, and high carbon steel. Usually are used to make a structure of building, body of car. Stainless steel, you know what is stainless steel? You usually heard about stainless steel. So stainless steel is made of iron, chromium, nickel, and carbon. Stronger than pure iron, resistant of corrosion. Cutlery, sink, surgical instruments. And the last one is pewter. 95% of tin, antimony, and copper. Stronger than pure tin, does not rust and shiny. Souvenir. Okay, the uses of pewter: souvenirs, decorative ornament, and trophies. Another example of alloy is superconductor, used in electrical transportation such as maglev train. Do not have electrical resistance at very low temperature. Is used to make a magnet that can levitate the train and move it at a very high speed. Levitate here means rise of course to rise and hover in the air. Maksudnya terapung lah, dia terapung. Okay, now how do you want to memorize the alloy and the composition? Okay, but this memorizing tips is in BM sebab cikgu buat untuk tahun sebelum-sebelum ni. Okay, but you can use it to memorize the composition of alloy. Okay, composition of alloy. Okay, duralumin. Okay, 1, duralumin. Ingat, 2 mamaku. Du is for duralumin. And A. The first alphabet after du is A. So, what does it mean? It means aluminium, is the pure metal for duralumin. Okay, huruf yang pertama selepas nama alloy itu dia punya pure metal. Okay, ma. You ada 2 ma dengan ma kan? So the first ma is magnesium, second ma is manganese. Cu for copper, Cu. So duralumin nak ingat macam mana? Ingat 2 mamaku. Okay, number 2, you have brass. Loyang. Ingat Yang, Ku, Z. So yang ini dia punya alloy, loyang, brass. Huruf selepas tu Ku, so maksudnya copper, ini dia punya pure metal. And Z, dia punya foreign atoms, zinc lah. Okay, number 3, bronze, gangsa. So ingat, gang, ku, ti. Gangsa, bronze. Copper, pure metals. T, stannum. Tin, foreign metal. Number 4, steel. Keluli. Remember, ke, be, kar. Ke, keluli, or steel. Be is the pure metal, besi, ferrum. Kar is the foreign atom, carbon. And last one, pewter. Pitian ko. P, pewter, alloy. T, pure atom, timah, stannum, tin. Antimony, and copper as the foreign atom. Stainless steel, you just add chromium and nickel. 6, stainless steel, you just remember ke bekar for steel just now, but you must add chromium and nickel. The addition for foreign atom. You cannot memorize the percentage, but you know the composition, which one is the pure metal and which one is the foreign atom. Okay, pink color is the pure metal. Pure metals here maksudnya atom tu paling banyak lah, dia punya percentage paling banyak. Yang lain-lain tu foreign atoms, maksudnya atom-atom tambahan yang lain yang menjadikan dia alloy. Okay, that's it. Awak kena hafal yang ini. termasuk dengan uses. Uses cikgu tak tulis. Okay, tambah sikit lah. Uses duralumin, ingat aeroplane. For Bryce, ingat music. Musical instrument. Bronze, ingat medals. Steel, ingat building. Ingat car. Pewter, ingat souvenir. And stainless steel, ingat cutlery. Okay, that's it. Thank you.